Today I'm going to show you how to create a temporary Gmail account, use it for what you need, and then delete it safely afterward. This is a useful method if you want a throwaway email for testing, signups, downloads, or one-time access without keeping the account long-term. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signup. This is the official Google sign-up page where you can create a new Gmail account from scratch. Once the page loads, start by entering your first name and last name. These can be your real name or whatever name you want to use for the temporary account, depending on your purpose. Next, Google will ask for your date of birth and gender. Fill in those details carefully, then continue to the next step. After that, you'll need to choose a Gmail address. Google may suggest a few options for you automatically, or you can click Create your own Gmail address if you want something specific. This is the part where you can make the account easier to remember or tailor it to the use case you need. Once you've picked the Gmail address, create a password. Make sure it's something secure enough to protect the account while you're using it. Then click Next. At this point, Google may ask you to verify the account using your phone. You'll usually see a QR code on the screen. Open the camera app on your phone, scan the code, and tap the link that appears. This will take you through a few more verification steps on your phone. Follow those steps carefully until verification is complete. After that, you'll need to switch back to your computer or the original device to finish the setup. Once Google completes the process, your Gmail account is created and ready to use. Now, since this is a temporary Gmail account, the next important part is knowing how to delete it after you're finished. To do that, open myaccount.google.com/delete-services- or -account in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the temporary Gmail account you want to remove. If you're signed into the wrong account, switch accounts before continuing, because this step is permanent. Once you're on the deletion page, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Delete your Google account. Google may ask you to enter your password again for security, so go ahead and re-enter it if prompted. After that, read the account deletion information carefully so you understand what will be removed. Google will usually show important details about what happens to your Gmail, data, and connected services. Then, tick the confirmation boxes to acknowledge the warning messages. These checkboxes are there to make sure you understand that the deletion cannot be undone. Once everything is confirmed, click Delete Account. At that point, Google will begin permanently deleting the account. And that's it. You've now created a temporary Gmail account and deleted it when you were done using it. This is a simple method for keeping your main inbox separate from short-term signups or temporary online tasks. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.